Hi unicorns, welcome to my channel. My name is Enshlie. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. I promise you're gonna get content you deserve and content that you want. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification button in order to get notified every time that I post any sort of video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a Sephora VIB recommendation video. I know that a lot of us struggle when it comes to this time of the year because it only comes, I think, twice a year. Basically the VIB Rouge, if you are one, you get a 20% and everybody else gets a 15 and a 10, I believe. But I actually just came back from the mall, so I want to show you guys what I got today. I got a couple of stuff, and it's stuff that I needed and wanted as well. It is mostly skincare since that's my favorite, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you're gonna get for your Sephora VIB sale. One of the first things that I got for skincare was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is supposed to hydrate and make your skin very glowy and radiant. So this has hyaluronic acid, watermelon, it has moringa seed, rice germ, and apple cider vinegar to detoxify the skin and help protect against everyday contaminants. This is really good if you have like problematic skin mostly and you really want that like glow on your face. I've never tried it myself, but I am going to do a skincare Sunday right after this video, so if you're interested in that, I'll post it somewhere up here so you guys can just go ahead and watch that. I think you guys should definitely try this out and let me know what you think. It is a cute little product to get. Like the mist in the bottle itself is very odd. It's kind of like weird, I don't know, but I really want to try that out and I'm going to show you guys in my skincare Sunday video. The next product I got was actually from the same brand. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I'm just going to open this up for you guys really quick. This is really cute because when you open it, it says Glow Recipe. And then, oh my god, it has a little, I love these. It has a spatula so you can just, wow, I love that. Thank you. I wish every brand that sold any types of cream had a little spatula to pull your product from. Because you don't want to be like dipping your finger in there. Even if your hands are clean, you still have germs on your hands. So, and the oils and just a lot of things go into these bottles, so I really appreciate that. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I had been dying to try this out, and this kind of has like the same formula. It has hyaluronic acid and watermelon and AHA to hydrate and smooth for post-facial results, all in one jar. So I'm really looking forward to this, and this is gonna go perfect with my skincare Sunday routine. So cute, it has a Glow Recipe engraved in here. The next product that I bought was the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil. I am obsessed with Sunday Riley. I think they have one of the best products in the market ever, period. Like, effective wise, it actually really does work, every single product that they have. This, I've never tried it, of course, so I wanted to try it out, but I know this is gonna help for sure because every product that I've ever bought from them works. This has vitamin C, turmeric, primrose oil, ginger root extract, and pomegranate seed oil. And these are all key ingredients to brightening up your skin, and for any acne scars, this is really good. So I'm hoping the acne scars that I have left on my face will hopefully go away with this guy right here. Jumping into the makeup, I got the Fenty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this one is in Island Ting. It's upside down, sorry. This one is in Island Ting. It's so cute. I thought this was the perfect color for me because I'm usually super into like extremely bronze skin. So I thought this was absolutely flawless and perfect. The packaging is also beautiful. So I'm really hoping this one is a go, because if not, I don't know, but everybody has given it great reviews, so pretty sure it'll work. Everything Fenty is like beautiful. The next product I bought was the Fenty Beauty Fussy Lip Gloss. This is a gloss bomb. I'm obsessed with this. One of my clients actually brought this over. She was like, hey, can you like do a dark like type of nude lip liner and put this on top? And I was like, okay, let's try it. I had never tried this before. I was like, this is it, okay? Fussy, you need this. This is beautiful, okay? Like, it's like a pinkish tone. It looks so good with absolutely everything. The next product I bought was the Gold Goddess Stila Glitter and Glow. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Glitter and Glow. I actually bought this as well for my clients because I use this a lot and mine's kind of dried out and ran out, so I needed a new one. I went ahead and bought this. All of their glitter and glows are absolutely bomb, okay? You need them. And the last thing I bought was a Precisely My Brow by Benefit. They're currently having a contest which ends on the 30th, and I wanted to enter, so I went ahead and bought the mini version of this, and I got this in the number 5 because I thought like the 3 that I had was way too light, so the number 5 I think would be right perfect right there. So yeah, I got the mini version of that. So that is it for my VIB recommendations for 2019. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope this video helps you out in order to purchase everything that you need and everything that you thought you didn't need, but now you would need it because you just saw this video and you were like, hey, I need it. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video, which will appear right here.